Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MLSS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. That question revolves around the fact that today the price made a very nice move, and it's more than rational to think, all right, yeah, things are trending, big movements are occurring as far as volume is concerned. So let's map out some levels of support and resistance going forward. First level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the strongest going forward? You know, the big movement, what would make that look the healthiest? And that would be if the price can stay up above 85 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, though. If the price falls below 85, I'm not saying that the chart is entirely ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above there, that would definitely be a good sign of power going forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line there comes into play, the 50-period simple moving average, keyword being moving. So as time goes by next week, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move, that right there being defined as the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. However you can best visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 85 would be great, but from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. What about levels of resistance? For this, I'm going to go to another time frame here just because we have to go back quite a bit of ways into the chart's history. So this is definitely a good problem to have when you have to go back this far into the history of a chart. It just illustrates that the price has not been up this high for a very, very long time. So next overall level of resistance going to be up there at the $1.10 mark. So definitely still some room to run. I'm not saying it's going to go straight up there, but the point here being, as far as the chart is concerned and looking at resistance levels, there just really isn't anything up in this area of the chart. So we'll see if this momentum can continue, but no doubt about it, very impressive movement the past couple of days. So let's see if the bulls can build upon this momentum next week or not. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.